So just had a new order of Cquartz. Pro products come in. Essence Plus, Clear Cut. So we just finished putting Pro and Cquartz products on the shelves, putting them in the system and pricing them out. And we have chemical guys that just came in. And I ordered quite a bit of stuff. I ordered polishers, torque snow foam blasters, applicator pads, more dirt traps, and I got gallons. I didn't get 16 ounces. I got a bunch of gallons, so we're gonna have gallons for sale. So we're just unpacking or opening up the boxes, putting everything in the system. This is the order of chemical guys that we made. One more thing, shout out to Detail and Shine. Appreciate the mask. Y'all should make sure y'all hit him up for all your detailing needs. So I'll put his Instagram on the screen. We got polishers now back in stock. Clay bars, foam cannons. We have soaps. We have everything in gallons now. Today has been a pretty busy day. Almost everything has been coming in, so that's pretty cool. Oh, one more thing. Check out the birch. Make sure y'all cop it. It's on the internet. I.detail.com. So make sure. I got a lineup of shirts, so y'all make sure y'all go into the website and check them out. But we had ceramic coatings come in. All your ceramic coatings. We got Cquartz. We got G-Technique. We got more in the boxes. We're just putting them on the shelves as we go. And there's this new G-Technique product I want to show you guys. This one is pretty tight. G-Technique Easy Coat. You put this bottle in here, you connect it to the hose, and then you spray the product on the car. So there's a bunch of videos on YouTube about this product. This is the first time that we bring it in, and we will have a demonstration and kind of see how it works. But this is a new product alert here at the I.detail store. This is the car that we did a one-step polish. Pretty dirty, but make sure you hit up Alva's Automotive Detailing.
Oh man, oh, that's good. There we go.
Hey, bro. So y'all make sure. Oh, he said he took off the. What'd you take off? The cats. Nice. But he's a mobile detailer. Alva's Automotive Detailing. Y'all make sure y'all hit him up. 346-606-3491. And this is his Instagram. Alva's Automotive Detailing.
All right, man. Thank you so much.
Later, man. Take it from here, man. Oh, okay, yeah. I think I know what it is. Later, guys.